Out first. Okay, go for it.
Okay, happy evening, everybody. Namaste, everyone. It's the complete Healy family. So I'm Samyukta. I'm from Bangalore, and I'm a hydration specialist. And I have this company called Zupo On. So basically, I do different therapies. So I believe that one therapy will not suit everyone. I believe that you have a resonance with some therapies, so that will work for you. So that's why we have access bars, we have batch flower remedies and all that. So in this process, since I'm in the wellness meet, I meet a lot of healers. And that's how I met, I should say, one angel called Prasad sir. And he used to wear this, and I used to wonder, sir, what is it? I had seen it 2 years back. Actually, Healy had come to my life 2 years back. But then I didn't quite understand it. I thought, how can a small box do anything to you? I mean, it's so small. So when I met him and then he did the aura analysis, I thought this is something in it. Logically, it didn't make sense, very frankly. There were so much things on the internet, but I didn't bother to see it. Something I felt that this works. Some sort of an intuition, you get that feeling, right, that this will work. So I just picked it up. It's been just 3 months. For me personally, till now, what it has helped is I used to get severe headaches, like difficult headaches, and I used to think maybe because I ate something outside. But when I started running a few programs, the Gold Cycle, and I like the Deep Cycle Hedge very much, the Pure Calm. What I've observed from the past 1.5 months is my mind is really calm. Usually it used to be overwhelmed, thinking I have to do that, this, and now I feel very calm. And I just realized if this kind of calmness is there, you can do much more. You can live your life better, live your life to the fullest. So this was the biggest change that I've seen, and very good quality sleep. Like you sleep and morning, you're very fresh. I mean, so it's so priceless, no? Because I know a lot of my friends who are suffering from insomnia and things like that. So I have just used it. It's been just 2 months, and I know that there are many more blessings to unfold. And what I really like best about Healy is the distance healing. See, we have friends and families who stay far away. Everybody is not around, and they're going through certain thing. You can be that good kind person who can run a distance healing maybe for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I really love this. But otherwise, if you want to treat yourself, you take an appointment from a therapist, then you wait, then you go travel time. So all that is not there. Another thing what I really liked about Healy is, see, when you decide to heal yourself, you can actually heal yourself. The tool is with you. So for me, I think my life is completely changed for the better. And I've added frequency healing as one of my most top priority healing therapies I recommend in my company. And I'm seeing a lot of changes for people, whoever, my friends and family. Some of them have picked it up, and nobody's regretting. Everyone's very happy. And most important, the support system. Very, very grateful to my teacher, Ashwini. I think I call her so many times in a day. And very caringly, she explains step by step. Leena, I really like the sessions that come, and I know that definitely if you change your vibrations, you can live a better life. Disease is low frequency, low vibration, so you choose to heal yourself. You vibrate at a different frequency and you can see difference. Another thing I want to share is that see, I have ideas but I couldn't implement. I used to think I'll do it tomorrow. I used to procrastinate a lot. After using Healy for a month and a half, that too not regularly, on and off, because I used to share my device with my family members. I used to get very little time. I have launched nutritional therapies. We've launched vegan gummies. I mean, things that just happen, Otherwise, you have to launch something, you have to run around. So it just happens very effortlessly. So I see a lot of serendipity, things just happening magically with Healy, just running basic programs. So I'm very grateful. And I also know, see, I tell a lot of my friends, this is very nice, buy this, it's good. But then I know that some cannot buy because it's a divine gift. It had come to me 2 years ago, but maybe now I am ready. So when somebody is ready, it just comes. And I really feel that all of you here are very lucky. And in your best way, reach out to as many people as possible so that we can make this planet a more happier planet and healthier planet. And very grateful to Marcus Mickey. He's come to India, he's learned these things, he's made it work for a lot of people. See, there are a lot of inventions on this planet, but I thought this was something very awesome, life changing. Very, very grateful to this. So, thank you so much. I'm wanted to thank Ashwini, Prasad ji, as well as Leena, and for their amazing Bangalore Healy family, always there to support. And wishing each and every one of you. I'll bless all of you because wishing you all amazing things because you're putting so much efforts. See, trying to tell a person that this works is the most hardest thing because it is experiential. But when you be in the community, see, today in the call, I learned so much about menopause. I learned that, it is helping autistic kids. I used to wonder who can really help them. So there is solution out there, and I'm very happy and grateful. And this testimonial night has given me more confidence to reach out to people I know. As we are listening, I'm thinking, okay, this can help Yatish, this can help this person. I should tell them. So yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for the learning, and I'm really enjoying it. Very grateful to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Samyukta. That was truly beautiful and such a beautiful heart of yours, the kind of work what you're doing. And